Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn Gujarati. I hope you guys are doing well. So let's start with our today's session. Guys, in today's session, we are going to learn how we can convert any Gujarati word or sentences or phrases with easy method. So for that, very first you have to go to this website, which is easygujratityping.com. Here you will find this box from where you can convert any sentence into Gujarati writing. So let's start with first one, which is hello. Hello, it means namaste. Hello is equals namaste in Gujarati. So like as you can see, I have already written for you guys as in reference. Same way I will type over here, like how regularly we are typing in mobile, as in message language. Same way we have to type over here, and guys, you will find exact result. Let's see. Namaste. See, so quickly it's converted into Gujarati. Let's try another one. The next one is good morning. Good morning is equals suprabhat. Suprabhat. Then press space bar. So you'll see, you'll find the exact result in Gujarati word which you are looking for. Instead of saying good morning, Gujarati people mostly using Jai Shri Krishna. So let's try this one. So you can see the perfect result we are getting. This way you can try a couple of sentences, couple of words, and tell me in the comment box how it's easy for you now to type any word, any sentence or any phrases in Gujarati. Okay. The next one is how are you? How are you is equals kem cho. Okay, I'm typing kem cho. So guys, you can see it's done. It's very easy, no? So guys, this way you can try a couple of sentences and you will find the best result which you are looking for. The next one is thank you. Thank you is equals abhar. Okay, so you can see it's done. The next one is my name is Nirav is equals maru naam Nirav che. So guys, in place of Nirav, you can add or use your name. Let's try with this sentence. Maru naam Nirav che. So you can see how it's easy to convert any sentence to Gujarati writing using this tool. Let's try one more sentence. What is your name? What is your name is equals Tamaru naam શું છે? So let's type over here. Tamaru naam શું છે? So this is how you can convert any questionary sentence. The next one is my hobby is book reading is equals book વાંચવી એ મારો શોખ છે. So like how I have written over here, let's type the same way over here and let's see the result. Book વાંચવી આ મારો શોખ છે. So guys, as you can see how we regularly we are typing in mobile, like in a message language. Same thing I'm doing over here. Simply I'm typing like how regularly we are typing in mobile and my sentence is ready. Let's try another sentence, which is I'm living in Ahmedabad is equals હું અમદાવાદમાં રહું છું. હું અમદાવાદમાં રહું છું. Okay guys, there is one more tip over here. So as you can see, like for example, I want to type rahu chu, but by mistake I have typed this one, which is not the right word. So simply I have to click backspace and I'll have a couple of version, okay, to select which is suitable for this sentence, and I can select the right one. So for this sentence, this one is the correct rahu chu. Okay. The next one is my age is 33 is equals મારી ઉંમર 33 વર્ષ છે. So guys, here age is equals umar. So let's type the sentence which I have already written over here, and let's see the result. Mari umar 33 વર્ષ છે. So this sentence is perfectly over here in Gujarati. Alright guys, now try this tool with different sentences, different phrases, different word, and let me know in comment box about your feedback. Also don't forget to share with your friends so they can also learn, and subscribe this channel to get more videos. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna.